Today we're showing you a Kubota M6800 tractor. It is a tractor that we traded in out of West Virginia. The tractor was being used on a small hay farm. The tractor has approximately 1,400 hours on it. It's in nice shape. There are no known mechanical issues with the tractor. Paint's good in the tractor. It does have some scuffs and dents and imperfections which can be expected from a older used tractor, but it certainly is in respectable condition yet. Tires are good on it. The wheels are set pretty wide for stability. It does have the Kubota style quick attach up here. Simply pull the lower pin there, and then this top part unhooks, which is a pretty easy on off. Bucket's in good shape. The front of the hood here does have a little damage, as you can see. This part of the left side of the hood here also has a little bit of a couple dings and dents and scratches, but again, respectable condition for the age. Relatively low hours on the tractor. It starts, runs, and works good with no known mechanical issues. It is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it is selling as is, where is. The 3-point links are the telescopic links. It does have the hydraulic remote back here. I do have a missing piece in the fender back here, which obviously could be replaced. This one also is cracked a little bit, and then a little bit of a damage there in your light back here, but all very minor stuff. It does have the 8-speed transmission with the shuttle. You got the shuttle lever right up here on the column. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the center, and then high-low here beside the seat. Also have your 4-wheel drive engagement there. Differential lock, your remote lever, and then also your 3-point lever to the right. Joystick lever there for the loader. You see a little bit of rust coming through the fender. Again, certainly not a new tractor, but certainly is a very usable tractor. The tractor's in, again, good mechanical shape with no known issues. Cosmetically, it's a nice tractor yet as well. We do take trades. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. We also can offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions, please contact us.